You hear me, right?
Yeah,
You are able to see my screen, right?
yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's see this. Yeah, this is the one we were trying to solve, right? On that day. There are,
Yeah,
I
we
think,
finished.
huh?
We finished.
This one, do you finish?
Yeah, we finished all of it.
Yesterday, did you finish?
Yeah, we finished it.
Okay. Then this one, I think we didn't finish. I mean, yesterday we didn't discuss about this one, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Until this one only we were talking about. So we will. There are only two problems only. We will solve this one, then we can go to next problems. Okay. Is that okay?
Okay, could I answer?
Sorry. Yeah, answer it. Let me see here.
There are only questions over here.
1 minute. Here, the following pictograph represents the number of milk bottles sold by a milkman in the first half of the year. Interpret the data and answer the questions. Okay. See, January, it's there are how many number of bottles sold? Only two numbers of bottles. But you see here, always you have to see this key. This is very important. Whenever you see this kind of pictogram, you have to see first the key, right?
Yeah, yeah, 500.
Yeah, this one bottle symbol is 500 bottles, equivalent to 500 bottles. This one picture is equal to 500 bottles, right? That means this is 500, this also 500, right?
Yeah.
So
Uncle,
how many bottles it was sold in month of January?
month of January, it sold two.
Two 500, one 500, two 500. So two 500 is 1,000 bottles. Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm seeing you upright position.
Could you say me?
No, I'm seeing you in upright position. You see in that video.
Now is it okay?
No, now also I'm seeing you in upright position. Maybe you have to rotate it, camera. In the video, you are looking like upright position. Okay, no problem. Okay, still it's the same. It's not a problem. We will see here. In the February, can you answer how many number of bottles sold?
In February, 5 bottles.
Yeah, 500 bottles. Each bottle is 500, right? So you have to say 500 bottles. Okay. This one 500, this second 500, third 500, fourth 500, fifth 500. That means five numbers of 500 bottles. That means total how many? 500.
Total
Yeah, 500 is how much?
500, 25, 200,
No,
200.
2,500, right? See, 500, another 500,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500.
Uncle, my Apple, you don't need to do this. That multiply.
No, but each bottle, the key you see, this is one bottle equal to 500 bottles. One pitcher is equal to 500 bottles.
Yeah, but mom told you don't need to multiply and get the answer. You just have to write the questions. No need to copy these. You'll just see the answers in here and you don't write answers. That's all.
Okay, maybe that's right. But here, just a concept wise, you understand each bottle, if the key is showing like 500, then we have to say this is 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. So 500s are 2,500. Maybe they will be, it will be complication for you to remember every 500 like that they may think. But you know, the skip counting, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? 25 times 100 is 2,500. That's why I'm telling that 500, 500, you need to add it. Okay. This is the key. Actually, really, if you speak, you need to add each bottle is 500. See here, one bottle it shows 500. Actually, you need to say that this is 2,500, not 25, right? Not 5. Okay.
Even my map, I multiplied and wrote the answer. Even my map will have to write like this only. The question and answer they were asking in which month did the milkman sell the least number of bottles. But I wrote January. I actually have to write and multiply the answer. I have to write. But ma'am, you have to write. Don't need to multiply.
No, it's not correct actually. 1 minute. Let us see the questions, then it's okay. But the concept, if you see that each bottle is 500 means you need to multiply by 500 only. See here, in which month did the milkman sold more than 3,000 bottles? You see here, 3,000 bottles, right?
Yeah.
In which month did the milkman sell more than 3,000 bottles? 3,000 bottles means which month? Can you tell me? More than 3,000. Out of these 6 months, which month he sold more than 3,000 bottles? Huh?
March or April, like that.
No, not March. March you count 1, 2, 3 only is there, right? 3 means each one is 500, 500, 500, 500. So 500 plus 500 is 1,000. 1,000 plus 500 is 1,500. So March is 1,500 only. So what ma'am told is not correct actually. Each one you have to put 500, 500, 500. So you will get 1,500. That's why question, if you see, they are asking 3,000 bottles. If you count here only one, each one like that, here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bottles only you will tell. Here in this one, June, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bottles. But their question is more than 3,000 bottles, right? Okay, yeah, tell me, you are raising hand. What's your question?
Also, in my bus, I have a maths teacher. She's doing 7th grade. She was actually like she's going otherwise. And I asked her the answer. She told it's correct.
No, tomorrow you tell to your teacher, we need to multiply, because here you see the question, in which month did the milkman sell more than 3,000 bottles? That's the question. So we need to multiply each, like after counting 1, 2, 3, 3 times 500, so it's 1,500. Then only we will get 3,000 and all, it will come. Otherwise, if we count only single bottle, it will become only 8, 7, 3, 4, 5, like that. It's not thousands, right? So you tell, when we are taking a tuition, was explained like that. Okay, they will ask how you got the answer, explain like that. So you can explain. See, January, it says key. What we have to see, first important thing is key. We have to see this key says one bottle is 500. So this is 500 plus this is another 500. So total 2 times 500s are there. That means how much it will come? 2 times 500.
That's 500.
Huh? 500 plus 500 is how much?
1,000.
Yeah, correct. 500 plus 500 is 1,000. Can you write like this?
Yeah,
Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500. Total 500s. How much?
What? 555?
500s.
500.
Yeah. 500 plus 500 is how much?
10,000. 500, 5,000, 1,005, 1,010.
No, I think 500 table.
Should I multiply?
Yeah, you have to multiply 500 by 5 times. 500, you multiply by 5. How much it comes?
Okay. 500 multiplied by 5.
Yeah, 500, you multiply by 5. You see my screen here?
Okay, can do we get 500 multiplied 5.
Yeah.
$2,500.
Yeah, right. So I will explain. Okay. 5 times 0 is 0. Another 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. So answer is 2500. Right?
It's 25,500.
No, 2500. Okay.
25,000.
25 hundreds. It's a 2500. 2, 1, 10, 100, 1000. So this is 1000. 2500. Okay. Okay, here 3 times 500 is how much? Can you multiply 500 by 3? Can you multiply?
1,500.
Yeah, right. 1500. Correct. So let me write the answer here. 1500 I have already written. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 500 is how much?
3,000.
Yeah, right. Answer is correct. 7 times 500 is how much?
7 plus 500 is 305,000.
Correct. And 8 times 500 is how much?
4,000.
Correct. So now let's go to the answer question and session, right? Let's go to these questions. Okay. See here, in which month did the milkman sell the least number of bottles? In which month?
January.
Let us see here. Why do you say January? Because January 1000, February 2500, March 1500, April 3000, May 3500, June 4000. So least amount is minimum amount. Minimum amount is January, only 1000. Correct. Your answer is right. Okay. Let's go to the next question. How many bottles did the milkman sell in March and April?
We have Taddy.
Yeah, March and April together add it. March 1500, April 3000. So total how much?
5,500.
No. 1500 and 3000. March 1500, April 3000. So add these two, 1500 and 3000. How much is it? Answer?
$4,500.
Okay. You can't see the screen?
No.
You are not able to see?
No.
No, now I'm sharing the screen. You are not able to see, yeah?
No.
Okay. I will share the screen. Now do you see the screen?
No. I could only see the white color.
Okay.
Fully white.
Uh,
It's fully white.
okay. I thought you were able to see it. Now?
No.
Let me share once again. Yeah. Do you see now the screen?
Yeah, I could see that.
Okay. Now you are able to see the screen, right? So next question is, in which month did the milkman sell more than 3,000 bottles?
We have to add it.
No, we have to say which month more than 3,000. For example, April is 3,000, right? And May is 3,500, right? And June is 4,000. So which month did he sell more than 3,000?
I know. June.
June, yeah, 4,000 it comes. Even May also it is more than 3,000, right?
Yeah. May also. No, yes, May is not about the 3,000.
May, yeah, you see here. Which month did he sell more than 3,000 bottles? See, April it is 3,000 and May it is 3,500. In June it's a 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 500 is 4,000. So there are 2 months. 2 months you can answer. You can say that in which months he is asking months. Which months means you have to answer May month, it's more than 3,000, that is 3,500. In June month, it is more than 3,000, that is 4,000. So there are 2 months he has sold more than 3,000. That is May month 3,500 and June month it is 4,000. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So in which month he has sold more than 3,000? In May month he sold 3,500 and June 4,000. So you have to answer 2 months. May also you have to answer and June also. You see here in which months. So answer is May and June. Okay.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. How you got the answer? Can you explain? What's the answer and can you explain?
The answer for the question
Yeah.
for in which month did the milkman sell more than 3,000 bottles?
Correct. So what's the answer?
The answer is May and June.
Why the answer is May and June?
Because May and June have more than 3,000 bottles.
Okay.
For May, 3,500. For
Okay.
June, 4,000.
Yeah, you're right. So let's go to the next question. In which month did the milkman sell more bottles than what he sold in February, but fewer than what he sold in May? That means you have to see
We
first
have to
February.
subtract it.
Yeah, correct. You have to subtract it. In February, how much he sold, and May, how much he sold. We have to see first. In February, how much he sold? 2,500, right? And May, how much he sold? May 3,500. So, question is, in which month did the milkman sell more bottles than what he sold in February? So it should be more than 2,500 and less than more than 2,500 and less than 3,500. Which one is the correct answer? More than 2,500 and less than 3,500?
Less than 300.
Yeah, less than 3,500, but at the same time, it should be more than 2,500. You see 1,500, is it more than 2,500?
No.
No, okay. You see 3,000, is it more than 2,500?
Yeah.
And you see 3,000 is less than 3,500?
No.
No, less than. 3,000 is less than 3,500, right?
No.
3,000 is less than 3,500. So answer is 3,000 only because he is asking more than February month but less than May month. So more than February month means April and less than May month means April only. So answer is 3,000. That is April month. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Can you explain what did you understand?
So in question number 5, which month did the milkman sell more bottles than what he sold in February, but fewer than what he sold in May?
Yeah.
So it's so 3,000, so 200, 2,500. Is it more or less? So 3,000 is the answer.
Yeah. Why 3000 is answer means the question is more than 2500 he has sold which month, at the same time less than 3500 which month he sold. That's the question. So you see February 2500 he has sold it. In April only he has sold 3000, that is more than 2500. At the same time it is less than 3500. So question is we need to see like two condition. First condition, it should be more than 2500, and second condition, it should be less than 3500. So 3000 only it satisfies both conditions, right?
Yeah.
So can you explain what I'm saying? I just want to hear from you. I just want to know whether you understand the thing clearly.
You told that in which in 2,500 and 3,000, in 2,500 have to be less, and 3,000 have at the same time it have to be more. So the answer is 3,000.
Okay, I will ask you one more question. And you here out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in the 6 red color number, I want to see which number is more than 3000 and at the same time it is less than 4000. Which number is more than 3000 and at the same time that number is less than 4000?
4,000.
Huh?
4,000.
No, I'm asking it should be less than 4000 and at the same time it should be more than 3000.
Less than 4,000.
Yeah, less than 4000. At the same time, it should be more than 3000. Can you choose which number is correct answer out of the 6? Yeah, you are right. May correct only. Can you answer it? Can you explain answer how you got the answer?
So 3,000. So for the 3,000 have to be more. The same time 4,000 have to be less.
Okay.
So 3,000, 3,500 is less for 4,305.
Okay.
So I got that for 3,000.
Okay. I will ask one more question also out of the 6 number. You choose the correct answer, correct number that is more than 1500, but at the same time it is less than 3000. Which number is more than 1500 and at the same time it is less than 3000? First condition, yeah, correct. So 2500 is the right answer because it is more than 1500, at the same time it is less than 3000. Okay. I will ask one more question. You find out the number which is more than 2500 and at the same time it is less than 3500. Which number is the right answer? More than 2500 at the same time less than 3500. Which is the right answer? No, less than 3500. First condition more than 2500. Next condition less than 3500. Yeah, correct. So 3000. Okay. That was the question. In February 2500 he sold it, and May he sold it 3500. So it should be less than this and more than this means you have to choose April. Correct. So let's go to the next question. Okay. What is the difference between the number of bottles the milkman sold in April and June? April, how much he sold, and June, how much he sold? What is the difference between these numbers? You see, in April, 3000 sold. In 2000, June, he sold 4000, right? April and June. What is the difference between these two numbers?
So we have to subtract it.
Yeah, difference means subtract only. Okay. So you subtract between June month, how many number of bottles he sold, and April, how much he sold, and tell me the answer like after subtracting it. Okay. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So which number and which number you will subtract?
So I have to subtract 3,000 and 4,000.
Yeah, right. So if you subtract 4,000 and 3,000, what would be the answer? What's the
I've
answer?
subtracted.
Yeah, subtract it. Let me also do it. 4,000 minus 3,000. Zero minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 3, it's 1. So answer, I got the answer. I got the answer. Do you get the answer? Juanta?
Yes, I got the answer. 1,000.
Yeah. Explain how you got the answer.
I multiplied.
Multiply.
So I subtracted
Okay.
and I got the answer. I subtracted, I got the answer.
Okay. If you subtract 4,000 and 3,000, what's the answer?
1,000.
Okay. I will ask you one more question. Can you subtract 3,000 and 2,500? What would be the answer?
What?
What is the difference between 3,000 and 2,500?
3,000.
And 2,500. What is the difference? And explain how you got the answer. Okay. Once you get it.
I got the answer 500.
500. Okay. Explain how you got the answer.
I subtracted
0 minus 0 is how much?
0.
And 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. 0 minus 5, how much?
0 minus 5, 5.
No, from
So,
0 you cannot.
0 minus 5. I have to carry over.
Yeah, carry from here. You borrow.
Can I do it?
Yeah, do it. You write small letters. Explain it. I just want to learn. I mean, I just want to know.
So these are the numbers I have to subtract it.
Okay.
So I got the 0 subtracted by 0, 0.
Okay.
So 5. I have to carry over this.
Okay.
So I got the answer.
10 minus 5 is how much? 10 minus 5 is 5. Correct. Okay. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer is 500. Correct. So I can understand. You know the subtraction. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Okay.
Could I read the next question?
Yeah, read it.
What is the difference between the maximum and the minimum numbers of bottles sold by milkman in the first half of the year?
Sorry. What is the difference between the maximum and minimum number of bottles sold by the milkman the first half of the year, right? First half of the year means first 6 months. Okay. What is the maximum number here?
Maximum is 4,000.
Maximum is 4,000 and minimum is okay. What is the difference between 4,000 and 1,000?
So 1,000 is minimum and 4,000 is maximum.
Yeah, correct. Maximum is 4,000, minimum is 1,000. And what's the difference between these two?
We have to subtract it.
Yeah, difference means you have to always remember it's a subtraction. Okay, difference
Could I,
means subtraction.
could I subtract and get the answer?
Yeah, yes, go ahead.
$3,000.
Yeah, right. Can you explain how you got the answer?
I have subtracted and I got the answer.
Yeah, if you subtract 0 minus 0,
0.
okay, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 4
0.
minus 1,
3.
correct. So answer is 3,000, right? The next let's go to the next
That's
question.
all there are.
Huh?
That's all. That's it.
No, last question is there, right? What is the difference between the total number of bottles the milkman sold in January and February and the total number of bottles sold in March and April, right?
So we have to add it.
Yeah, first we have to add January and February and we will find out the number, and we will add March and April, we will find out the number, then we will find the difference between these two. Okay,
Okay.
do you get me? So first step, we have to add January and February. Then next step, we have to add March and April. Then we will deduct these two difference. We will find out. Okay.
So January and February is.
January and February, how much it's coming if you add these two?
I'm adding it.
Then March and April. March and April is.
What's the next question after?
Sorry.
March and April.
Yeah, March and April. You have to add March and April. Okay. Then we will find out the difference between this and this.
I got that, sir.
What's the total number of bottles sold in January and February?
3,500.
Okay. What's the total number of bottles sold in March and April?
4,500.
Okay. What's the difference between 4,500 and 3,500?
So 4,500 is bigger than.
Yeah. So we need to deduct 4,500 and 3,500. Right? No, deduct. I mean subtract.
Okay.
And after getting the answer, you explain how you got the answer. Okay.
Okay.
என்ன பண்றேன்னு பார்த்தேன்.
என்னோட இந்த பழைய நம்பர் ஒண்ணு இருக்குல்ல, அது நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அனுப்பியிருக்கேன்ல உங்களுக்கு. அது என்னன்னு சரி கலை வைஃப்னா சேவ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க.
I got that.
Okay. Can you explain how you got the answer?
I subtracted those numbers and I got the answer.
Okay. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is how much?
10.
No, 5 minus
0.
Okay. 4 minus 3.
4 minus 3 is 1.
Okay, correct. That means answer is 1,000. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay. I think this meeting will be there for another 3 minutes, right? Jonathan?
Yeah. I couldn't see the time.
Sorry?
I could not see the time.
I'm not able to hear you clearly. I'm not able to hear you clearly.
I could not see the time because I don't have a timer in the Zoom.
Yeah, no, it's okay. I could see because here it comes in the screen. I'm only able to see it. Okay, let's see here. Peter likes to pick oranges and squeeze them into fresh juice that he can kindly share with his friends. Picture graph shows how many oranges he picked on certain days. See, one orange, this picture you see, one orange picture is equal to 15 oranges. Okay, that means you need to multiply by 15. Okay, so let's see here. Monday, how many he picked the oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 15 is how much?
4 times 15 is
60.
120.
No,
Not
4
60.
times 15 is 60. 15, 15, 15, 30, 45, and 60. So 4 times 15 is 60. Okay,
Okay.
because you see here key each orange the picture is 15 oranges. That means this is 15, this is 15, this is also 15, this is also 15. There are 4 times 15 is there. 4 times 15 is 60, right? You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 15 is how much?
6 times 15 is.
Multiply 15 by 6, you will get the answer. 6 times 15.
I guess not.
Sorry. And 3 times 15 is 45. 8 times 15 is how much? 120. Right?
Yeah.
You multiply 15 by 4.
15 by 4.
Yeah, 1 5. 15 by 4. 1, 2,
But I
3, 4.
also answer another.
Sorry.
Like I multiplied 15 by 4
Yeah.
and I got the answer as 20.
No, 15 if you multiply